Hey everybody, I figured I would make a video because there's nothing on YouTube about pulling a seat out of the carburetor. Yeah, there was a bunch of videos leading up to pulling the seat, but no one really showed actually the best way to pull it out. This thing was seized in here. It was really bad. You can still see a bunch of stuff in there. I haven't even cleaned it yet. I wish you guys could actually see in there, but it's actually terrible. The bike was overflowing every time I turned the carb on, so obviously it was needle seat issue, and like I said, this thing was seized in here so bad. So first thing I did, I notched this so I could put a flathead screwdriver in it, and that did not work, so don't do that. So this is what I did. Oh, this is the old one right here. So yeah, you can see the screwdriver notches. So yeah, I used the drill. I basically, I tried to extract it out with a extractor. That didn't work, and I just used a small drill bit, made a bigger hole, and then I put a bigger drill bit in there, and it just pulled right out. It was awesome. So hopefully this helps you guys. Like I said, I was trying to find a video to help me, and like I said, I could not find one, and yeah, hopefully that helps you.